Hello everyone, it's Lucas from Altus. Today, we are going to learn how to use our Trig and F-Trig on MasterTool for the Nexto Xpress series. So, let's drag the R-Trig block to the network. Now press enter to declare this variable named rtrig1 and with type rtrig. Press OK. At the output of this block, let's place a set coil that will be RQ03, digital output 3. Then, let's place a F-Trig function block on the network below. Let's declare this variable too. Press enter and OK. The output will be a reset related to Q03. In both networks the activation will be done by a 07, digital input 7. Let's log in, click on Online, Login and then Yes. These blocks works in this way. First, our Trig needs to detect a rising edge on its CLK input to generate a pulse on its output, taking the logic from false to true, from 0 to 1. And the F-Trig block works similarly, except it detects falling edges, true to false, 1 to 0. F-Trig generates a pulse at the output when it detects this drop. So, let's test this in the I/O simulator. The I07 entry is currently false. So, if we pulse it, our Trig will detect a rising edge. It will set output Q03. Now, if we remove the pulse from input I07, F-Trig will detect a falling pulse and will reset output Q03. So, this was our 18th lesson for Nexto Xpress series. Don't forget to follow Altus channels on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks everyone, see you next time.